students, Geometry Part 3. Today's topic, Geometry. Subtopics. First, drawing angles less than 180 degree with a protractor. Second, drawing angles more than 180 degree with a protractor. Drawing angles less than 180 degree with a protractor. Acute angle 70 degree. To draw acute angle 70 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. 1. Draw a ray OA. Draw a ray OA. Place the protractor with its center on O and its baseline over OA. Protractor baseline should be over OA. 3. Make a point B at 70 degree. Mark on the right. 4. Remove the protractor. Join the point O and B with the help of ruler and pencil. O and B with the help of ruler and pencil. The angle BOA will measure 70 degree. See how. Point O. From point O, the ray has been draw the ray OA. Sorry, by mistake I have written D. Now the point O should be at the center of the protractor, and OA should coincide the baseline of the protractor. Mark at 70. Join O and the point which is marked at being 70 degree. Now thus B angle BOA is equal to 70 degree. Acute angle 85 degree. To draw acute angle 85 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. Draw a ray OD. Draw a ray OD. Place the protractor with its center on O and its baseline over OD. Here you have to place the protractor, center of the protractor, and a baseline should be on OD. You should be very precise so that OD should be on the baseline. Remove the protractor, join the point OC. After then you have to remove the protractor and join the point OC with the help of ruler and pencil. The angle COD will measure 85 degrees. See how.
Start.
Point O. From the point, a ray OD. Draw ray OD. Now keep the protractor on the ray and you should be very precise while doing 80. We have to, as the ray is towards the right hand side, so takes inner scale 80, 5 lie between 19 and 80. Mark the point with the help of ruler. Join the point. Now thus ray OC has been, and COD, angle COD is equal to 85 degree. Obtuse angle 145 degree. To draw obtuse angle 145 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. 1. Draw a ray QR. Draw a ray QR. Place the protractor with its center. You have to place the protractor here. Center should be on Q. And its baseline over QR. 3. Make a point P at 145 degree. Mark on the left. Remove the protractor. Join the point Q and P with the help of a ruler and pencil. The angle PQR will measure 145 degrees. See how. Point. Make point. Draw a ray from point Q. Now QR, the ray QR has been done. Use inner scale. Now take 145 degree, mark at the left. 145 degree lie between 140 and 150 degree. Now with the help of scale, join Q with the point. Thus the ray QP has been done. Now angle PQR is equal to 145 degree. Obtuse angle 160 degree. To draw obtuse angle 160 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. Draw a ray KL. 2. Place the protractor with its center on K. Protractor center should be on K and its baseline over KL. Baseline should be over KL. 3. Make a point J at the 160 degree mark on the left. Remove the protractor. Join the point Q and P with the help of a ruler and pencil. The angle JKL will measure 160 degree. See how. Point K. From point K, ray KL has been drawn. KL. Now take a protractor. Center should be on K and baseline KL should coincide with the KL. 160 degree on the left side. Inner scale was being used because the ray KL is towards the right hand side. Now thus angle JKL is 160 degree. Right angle 90 degree. To draw right angle 90 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. First, draw a ray OP. Draw a ray OP. 2. Place the protractor with its center on O. The protractor center should be on O and its baseline over OP. Protractor baseline should be on OP. Make a point J at the 160 degree. Make point L at 160 degree on the top. Remove the protractor. Join the point L and O with the help of a ruler and pencil. The angle JKL will measure 90 degree. See how? Line has been made. Ray OP. Now the center of that protractor should be on O, on the top of this 90 degree. At the top is 90 degree. Inner scale was being used because the ray is towards that right hand side of that protractor. Angle L O P is equal to 90 degree. Note, always while making 90 degree, showing 90 degree angle, we are supposed to make perpendicular line. Drawing angle more than 180 degree with a protractor. Drawing reflex angles. To draw reflex angle, that is angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Note, as we can't measure more than 180 degree by using protractor, so to draw reflex angle that is equal to 240 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. 1. Subtract the reflex angle from 360 degree. This reflex angle 240 degree to be subtracted from 360 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Draw a ray PQ. Draw a ray PQ. This dot Q represent the vertex of the angle. This Q represent the vertex of the angle. 3. Turn the protractor upside down and place the center of the protractor at Q and the baseline of the protractor along the arm QP. 4. Use the outer scale to find 120 degree and mark a small dot at the edge of the protractor and mark it as R. Remove the protractor. Join Q and R. Join Q and R with the help of a ruler and pencil. 6. The angle PQR will measure 240 degree. See how? Point has been done. Point Q. Now draw a ray QP. Turn the protractor upside down. The center of the vertex should be on Q. You should be very precise while placing the protractor on the ray. The ray should coincide the baseline of the protractor. Now 120 degree. Draw a ray joining Q and the point.
भैया आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो.
Sorry, I won't distract.
That is point R.
Say it's okay.
Now this is angle PQR is equal to 240 degree. PQR is equal to 240 degree. Drawing reflex angles. To draw a reflex angle, that is angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Note, as we can't measure more than 180 degree by using protractor, so to draw reflex angle that is equal to 195 degree using a protractor, we follow these steps. 1. Subtract the reflex angle from 360 degree. This reflex angle 195 degree should be subtracted from 360 degree. Thus, that is equal to 165 degree. 1. Draw a ray OA. 2. The dot O represent the vertex of the angle. This O represent the vertex of the angle. Turn the protractor upside down and place the center of the protractor at O and the baseline of the protractor along the arm OA. Baseline of the protractor should be on OA. 4. Use the outer scale to find 165 degree and mark a small dot at the edge of a protractor and mark it as B. Remove the protractor. Join the point O and B with the help of a ruler and pencil. 6. The angle AOB will measure 195 degree. See how. Point O. Draw point O on the paper. Make a ray, that is ray OA. Make the protractor upside down. Now see here, the baseline and ray OA coincide each other. Now this 0 at the right hand side, the outer scale contains 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up till what? 195. 195 lies between what? Sorry, 165. 165 lies between what? Between 170 and 160. Thus, angle AOB has been done. That is, angle AOB is equal to 195 degree. Reflex angle AOB is equal to 195 degree. Explanation done. Complete the exercise in the notebook. Thank you.